This is reading video number 2 for Monday. I would like you to open up to page 24 in your animal behavior book. I'm going to be reading the third paragraph out loud to you, and we're going to be looking for words that that describe a movement of an animal. So we're going to be doing this with the third paragraph, and you're also going to be doing it today in your expert groups once you get into those. So the third paragraph begins with the words swimming, slithering, climbing. I want you to get to the third paragraph and follow along with me as I read. As I'm reading, I want you just to first listen to the first read. We're not doing anything with it. The second read, we're going to really pay attention to those words, and we're going to write some of them down. So just listening this first read. Swimming, slithering, climbing, and flying from danger all work just as well as running and jumping. An octopus, for an example, escapes predators by filling its body with water, then pushing out the water through a tube-like body part called a siphon. This motion, called jetting, lets an octopus scoot away quickly in any direction. As it jets away, it emits a cloud of ink to hide its escape and further confuse its pursuer. Shellfish, called scallops, also jet away from danger. When a scallop senses that a sea star is near, it opens and shuts its shell, forcing out jets of water and then that scoot it away. I want you to have your animal behavior, your research notebook, and I want you to be on the very last page. It's page 24. Page 24. You're going to be using this note catcher in your expert group today as well. So when you write, I want you to write really small right now so you have enough room when you're with your expert group. I'm going to read aloud again. Remember, when I'm reading and you're taking notes, that is called running notes or running records notes. And you just need to jot down the words that I'm saying. So words that describe a movement. Words that describe a movement. I would separate them by a comma so you're using less space as you're writing across in a line. Remember to take those running notes as I'm reading. Here I go again. Swimming, slithering, climbing, and flying from danger all work just as well as running and jumping. An octopus, for example, escapes predators by filling its body with water, then pushing the water through a tube-like body part called a siphon. This motion, called jetting, lets an octopus scoot away quickly in any direction. As it jets away, it emits a cloud of ink to hide its escape and further confuse its pursuer. Shellfish, called scallops, also jet away from danger. When a scallop senses that a sea star is near, it opens and shuts its shell, forcing out jets of water that scoot it away. So let's go through this first sentence together. Movement words. Movement words. Swimming, slithering. Swimming is one. You're moving. Slithering. Climbing. Flying. Running. Jumping. Those are all just from the first sentence. So look at how I did this on my note catcher. I just separated them by commas. I know it's backwards for you guys, but I separated them by commas and just kept writing. Over here in the source column, we need to write what this is from. So it's animal behaviors, escape artists. So we're going to write animal behaviors. And then a colon. A colon is the two dots, like when you're writing a time. A colon is two dots. So animal behaviors, escape artists. And then we're going to write the page number, which is page 24. Animal behaviors, escape artist, page 24. You're going to go back, like I said, today with your expert group. You'll learn more about that in the next video. And you're going to go through your expert section and find these words as well. If you want to put more movement words from paragraph 3 on page 24, that's fine. If not, that's okay too. But I need you to know what a movement word is. As I'm looking through this, something that you guys might not think, but jetting is a movement word because that is explaining what the octopus and the scallops are doing. So make sure that you are really working with your partners and looking through those words for those movement words. This is the end of reading video 2. You're going to have 1 or 2 more reading videos tonight. Finish up. So right now, that's all you need to do with that note catcher. Once you get into your groups, you will continue to work on that note catcher. All right.